Hi everyone, it's Pam and my brother Mark. We're going to talk today about bearded iris, and I took a bunch of irises that were given to me because they were being split, you know, or divided, as they say. Yeah, divided. And my brother Mark suggested, he came down today to get them from me in my garden. So Mark explained to me that if I have the divided irises here, to put them in just a soil and not water them, that preserves them, right, Mark?
Yeah, it preserves the tuber and keeps the tuber from drying out.
Right.
Basically prepping them for replanting.
So Mark, when do you think you're going to be planting these in your garden?
Probably in November.
Okay.
And they're going to go into native soil.
Right.
So I'm just waiting for the weather to cool down.
Right. Yeah, I know where you live. It's much warmer than in Central California.
Yeah. Yeah. It just, and the fact that I don't want to plant them too early and force them to grow.
Yeah.
I want them to be in dormancy.
Right, because they start blooming usually here in my garden, usually like February.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
I can see that it's better to wait to plant
yeah.
them. Okay.
Most of the perennial bulbs and the annual bulbs bloom earlier here in California.
Right, right.
It's just, our climate is so strange.
Yeah, we have all these mini climates.
Mini climates,
yeah. Right. Well, thanks, Mark, for coming today.
Oh, you're welcome.
Picking up your irises. And I wish you luck in
Oh,
your
thanks.
garden with them.
Thank you.
All right, take care.
Okay.
Happy gardening, everyone.